Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about advanced manufacturing process. In that, topic name is flow forming. Flow forming. In that, I will draw first diagram of flow forming. Okay. Now, this is the mandrel. This is the direction. This is a initial surface. Okay. Now, this is a flow formed surface. This is a tailstock. This is a end, that is close end. Okay, I'm drawing the roller for same diagram. Roller, and this is a feed rate direction. This is how figure of flow forming. I will do the explanation for the same. Okay, now in this flow forming means what? The flow forming is advanced incremental metal forming techniques in which high pressure in which the high pressure is applied using mandrel with roller to form a disc or tube. I will do first explanation for the same for the component. The component are tailstock, flow form surface, initial surface, close end, ruler, feed rate direction, that is anti-clockwise, here clockwise. Okay, now see here, when the first topic name is mandrel, we have applied the force on this mandrel to get a required shape with high pressure. This two end or one end is tailstock is fixed to the lathe machine, so as by applying the force for the required shape that will be take out from this process. The forefolding is also rolling deform the workpiece, forcing on the mandrel, forcing on this mandrel by both axial length and team. This is how the flow forming process is carried out. Now, I will discuss you the second topic, that is scratch forming. I will draw first diagram for the same. Okay, this is RAM, foam block, okay, then this is a joy, this is a joy, and this is a seat that you have to resize or change its shape. This figure indicates sketch forming. Now, see here, I will do first explanation. Okay, now here is a sheet metal, so as do the job on it. Then here there is also a carriage for fix the joy. Then here is also a press table for to press the job. It is ram and foam die. Here is also foam die or foam block. Okay, now see it working when the ram is forced to upward direction for a die or foam block to give shape to the sheet metal by hydraulic press or pneumatic press, so as to change the direction or change the size of sheet metal that shown in the figure. By applying this force, the sheet get changed to its required position or required size of a job. Now, sketch forming sketch forming is performed on a sketch press, in which of pieces of sheet metal is securely gripped along its along its edges by gripping joints or joy. This is how the sketch forming is used for. Then for dye material, zinc alloy, steel, wood, and plastics, etc., that can form the required joint. Okay, understood. Thank you for watching this video.